You already know how to calculate the lateral surface area of a cuboid. What is the lateral surface area of a cuboid? It is 2 brackets b plus l into h. That is 2bh plus 2lh. We had already derived this. Now what will be the lateral surface area of a cube? Now you already know that a cube is a special case of the cuboid. Now how can we find out the lateral surface area of a cube? With this formula. Now instead of using L, B and H of a cuboid, we can use the dimension say A for a cube, because all the dimensions of a cube are same, be it length, breadth or height. So using this as the dimension of a cube, let's put this in this formula. So what we will get? 2. Instead of B, L and H, we can use the dimension A for a cube. So A plus A into A. Here A plays the role of breadth, here A plays the role of length, as well as A plays the role of H. So let's derive this. So we get what? 2. A plus A gives us 2A into A again. So what will we get? 2 into 2, 4, and A into A gives us A square. So this is how we get the lateral surface area of a cube, where A represents the edge or any side of the cube. So we know that lateral surface area of a cube is 4A square, where A is the edge of the cube. Now I had a room. This is a cubic room. Now the edge of this room I found out was 10 meters. Now I want to put some curtains so that I can cover this room, so that no one can disturb me while I was working. So can you find out the lateral surface area? So in order to put the curtains in the sides of this room, what do I want? I want the lateral surface area of this room, because what does lateral means? Lateral means sideways. Now here I want to put curtains on these 4 sides. So I'll take out the lateral surface of this cube. So we know that lateral surface area of a cube is actually 4A square, where A represents this edge. So you can find out the lateral surface area of this room easily. Find it out. 4. Now A square means A into A. Now let's substitute this A with 10. So 4 into 10 into 10. This gives me 400 meter square. Now why have I used meter square here? Because we are finding out the lateral surface area of the cube, and area is always represented in square units. Now we have found out that the lateral surface area of the cubic room was 400 meters square, and I was given information by the shopkeeper that area of one piece of curtain will be 25 meters square. So how many curtains will I require? Now the number of curtains that I require can be calculated by lateral surface area of my room by area of one piece of curtain. Now let's divide it. So I get 400 by 25. Or I'll get 16. So this is actually the number of curtains I will require to cover my room. Now you know how to calculate lateral surface area of a cube. Now here we have been given a cube with the edge 5 centimeter. Find the lateral surface area of this figure. Now we know that the lateral surface area of a cube is what? 4A square, where this A represents the edge. Now here the edge is clearly stated as 5 centimeter, because the length, breadth and height here are the same. So the edge is 5 centimeter. So let's calculate. So lateral surface area of this cube is what? 4A square, or 4 into A into A. Now instead of A, we substitute the edge, that is 5 centimeter. So 4 into 5 into 5, we get it as 4 5s are 20. 20 into 5 we get 100. So 100 centimeter square. So this is the lateral surface area of this cube.